this particular problem, what we're doing is we're going to factor by grouping. So the very first thing we're going to do, our first step, is to group this expression. So we are going to take the 8x cubed minus the 4x squared, place them in one group, and then place the negative 50x plus the 25 in the other group. The next step is to determine the greatest common factor between 8x cubed and 4x squared. And it just so happens that 4 fits into 8 twice, 4 fits into itself once. So of the numbers between 8 and 4, 4 is the greatest common factor. Looking at x cubed and x squared, the variable with the smallest exponent is the greatest common factor. So that becomes x squared. Inside the parentheses, if I do 8x cubed divided by 4x squared, I get 2x. So in other words, if I multiply 4x squared times 2x, I get 8x cubed. Doing the same thing here, 4x squared divided by 4x squared is 1. So our expression inside the parentheses is 2x minus 1. Well, knowing how grouping works, we know that our other group will also have a 2x minus 1. And then I ask myself, what do I multiply 2x by to get negative 50x? And the answer is negative 25. So that is our other multiplier for this group. Negative 25 times 2x is negative 50x, and negative 25 times negative 1 is a positive 25. All right, so here we go. We have two terms, 4x squared times the quantity 2x minus 1, and negative 25 times the quantity 2x minus 1. Now, considering this to be a and this to be b, a times b plus c times b, using distributive property, we know in these two terms we have a common factor, that common factor being the b. This equates to the quantity a plus c times b. Well, our a is 4x squared. Our c is negative 25, and our b is 2x minus 1. This is a difference of two squares. The square root of 4 is 2, the square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 25 is 5. So this, in effect, becomes 2x plus 5. 2x minus 5, and we have 2x minus 1. So that is the complete factorization of 8x cubed minus 4x squared minus 50x plus 25.